Our questions are many. One thing, however, is clear. Materia requires our strength to achieve her objective.
Then she shall have it. For now, anyway.
Wait, for now?
As he said, there's much we don't know.
Is there now?
We would do well to move forward with caution. Regardless, action shall prove more fruitful than idleness.
Materia didn't seem to know too much about us. She didn't even seem to know too much about her world, come to think of it.
Nor did the two gods seem to know each other. Maybe Spiritus isn't our enemy after all.
Maybe not. We need to find out what we're dealing with here.
I think I can help with that.
You can, huh?
Yes. I sense the espers of this realm. They might be able to teach us about Spiritus and Materia. You're going after them, aren't you? That's where you're headed.
Whatever.
Hmm?
Go on, keep making that face. It'll get stuck that way.
Then let us come along so it doesn't.